Welcome back, guys, to the TRX4 Sport unboxing and build up, I guess. This is Pokey. Hey, Pokey. This is the D1RC Titanium Baja 1000 conversion. So, I have no idea. Well, I got some idea. That wouldn't be completely true. But I really don't know what to expect. I don't know what I should expect, but I got an idea of what I would like to find in here. Oh, wow. Lots of stuff. Ooh. Look how pretty. Let's see here. Check this out first. That's the lighting kit. That, I gotta assume that's a magnet mount, maybe. First piece of titanium. I got the blue one. Pretty decent. That's the rear. I bet you. What you want to bet? We'll get the scales out here in a second. Oh, wow. Yeah, okay. That looks pretty good. The box was in real good shape. Not bad. Okay, hold on a second. I was, holy cow, wasn't expecting that. What? What? I don't know what I was expecting, but that I was not expecting that. Surprise, surprise, surprise. That is not the same. It's a little bigger maybe in the back. Tail lights are different. Everything else is spot on. I mean, that's the same mode. They must have borrowed it. Or, and look, they cut out the windows. I mean, I kind of knew what I was getting, but I didn't know how they would do all that. That's Okay, let's take this out. Ooh, Pokebot got stepped on. Oh, that looks pretty good there, fellas. So that piece, that's why that's cut out. Go there, something like that. Oh, well, you know. Hey. I'll have to figure that out. We'll have to do it as we go. We'll do it as we go. I want you to look at that. Those are letters. The R is red. That's a lot of lights. Sticker sheet. That, I bet, is for a crossbar. And, oh, D1RC. Oh, we got to open this up. It is not light. No, sir, it's not light. There's no, yeah, that's the magnets, obviously. Well, that's neat. I was wondering about that piece right there because, hey, I don't know how that attaches on there, but I guess I'm about to find out. But that's what made it look so good in the photographs. That's a lot of something to hang out the back. That's definitely optional. I'll have to look at some pictures. Kind of figure that out. Okay. So we got a blue titanium chassis. I will definitely have to go on the website, and it did mention having to do some trimming. It's probably right here on the inside, and I was thinking out here. Oh, that'll be better. And I'm not sure what all. I bet there's a bracket right there. Oh, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. How's that look? Now those wheels just happen to be mounted on those tires, and I was wanting to run those tires because I know for a TRX4 they're just the right size as far as height, kind of in between a Canyon Trail as far as height and a regular 475. since episode 2, we've done a couple of things. I got the Fusion Elite installed, and in the end, I ended up with the 15 tooth pinion. I wanted to go smaller, but I think that's as small as I can go without changing the spur gear. And the 15 is actually the quietest. I put a Robinson in it, and it's so smooth now. This is going to be a fun trail rig. I'm telling you. I'm going to put that's probably a set of scale tires on it, either Swampers or crawlers. I put the Blue Case 45 in it, and that paired with the Elite set of trials and some heavily, let's see if I can get up here and get a good shot, scuffed in trenchers. Cleaned them up with the DIRC tire wash and took them out, rode this thing around, and just, yeah, fell in love with it. The performance was compared to the first run, and I gotta say the tires probably made a huge difference. Being scuffed, softer. It's got Canyon inserts on it. It looks like a soft front and rear with the trials, and that was just the right amount of weight added. I was really impressed. The shocks, yes. In the beginning, this thing, I mean, you can now, I mean, it's just like one run, and big improvement. I do not know what the deal was in the beginning, but you could not. I mean, you had to bear down on it, but literally just a couple of battery packs, and world of difference. So that was really, really good to find out that this thing's going to actually be fun to drive once I get all this on it. I wanted to make it as capable as possible. I say capable. I want to be able to drive it around, do a few obstacles here and there. Nothing major, but it's got to do something. If you look this good, you got to be able to pull a line. So, so those are screws that looks like they have been powder coated into where they go, I guess. That's going to be interesting. There. All right, I'm going to keep this video short. I will record the build on this. I'm not sure exactly when this is going to happen. I may go ahead and paint the body, have everything ready to put together. And I'm definitely going to check out the website and find out. I think I do a little trimming there, and something about back here. But this is probably going to have to come out when I do the interior. I may do a painting video because I got to paint this. The fenders are different. I didn't notice that before. Round, not round. Boy, they got it close. There's Lucky. Hey, you made an appearance. You ready to eat? Is that what it is? All right, guys. That looks like a wrap. Is that right, Lucky? You're making me nervous, buddy. I don't know what to expect right here. You know you're on camera, don't you? Till next time, guys. Purse out, Lucky.